Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thumbs up to Sheikh Babar from Islamabad who had this vintage amplifier with them, and they called us to come and have a look at it. So starting off today, we are taking a closer look at the front side of the classic L85V integrated amplifier, which was a standard model from the 1970s. Starting from the left, you'll notice the power switch, which features a soft satisfying click when toggled. Right next to it is the speaker selector, allowing you to choose between different sets of speakers or to turn them off altogether. Moving along, we have the input selector. This rotary dial lets you switch between your audio sources such as phono, tuner, auxiliary, or tape. The tape monitor switch is also nearby, perfect for those who enjoy recording and playback functions. In the center, we see their iconic volume knob, large and smooth, offering precision control over your listening levels. Above that is the balance knob for fine-tuning left and right speaker output. Next up are the bass and treble controls. These knobs allow for manual adjustment of the sound, letting you boost or cut the low and high frequencies to your taste. The tone defeat switch is right below them, which bypasses these controls to give you a pure, unaltered sound if preferred. And finally, towards the right, we see the headphone jack for private listening and the mode selector, which can switch between stereo and mono, as well as the reverse output of the channel. Now, the design is sleek and functional, and it's all the brushed aluminum finish, and it's really a vintage feel that still holds up till today. And that wraps up our look at the front side of the Luxman, a very beautifully crafted amplifier. And let's go towards the back. Starting from the left, we see the AC outlets. These are handy for powering other audio equipment directly from the amplifier. Moving towards the center, there are phono, tuner, auxiliary, and tape input and output connections, which let you hook up multiple devices like turntables, tuners, or tape decks. You'll also find the DIN connector, which was used for more specialized audio connections back in the day. Next are the pre-out and the main in jacks, allowing you to separate the preamp and power amp sections if you want to use an external equipment for either function. This adds extra flexibility for those looking to customize their sound setup. And finally, on the right side, we see the speaker terminal for connecting up to two sets of speakers. These sturdy terminals provide secure connections, and you'll notice the labels for A and B speaker systems, giving you precise control over which set which you are using. In terms of technical specs, the Luxman delivers around 80 watts per channel into 8 ohms, and the total harmonic distortion, I believe, is less than 0.05%. It also supports both MM and MC phono inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of turntables. The damping factor is rated at 50, providing excellent sound control over speaker movement, and the signal to noise ratio, or the SNR, is better than 90 decibels for the line inputs, ensuring clear and distortion-free sound. Overall, the rear of the Luxman is packed with connectivity options, making it ideal for both simple and complex audio setups. As far as the inside of the Luxman goes, I've opened it up, and this is the view of the inside. Now this is where the real magic happens. At the heart of the unit is the massive power transformer, which is essential for converting the incoming AC power into a stable DC voltage required to drive the amplifier. Luxman used a high-quality, oversized toroidal transformer even in the 70s, ensuring excellent efficiency and minimum noise, which results in clean, consistent power delivery to the circuits. And connected to the transformer is a set of large filter capacitors. Now these capacitors smooth out the DC voltage, reducing any ripple or hum from the power supply. In this model, these capacitors are robust with a high capacitance, ensuring a stable supply of power, especially during demanding audio playback at higher volumes. Next, we have the dual mono amplifier configurations, which help reduce crosstalk between the left and right channels, offering superior stereo separation and soundstage. Each channel has its own set of output transistors, which are responsible for amplifying the signal before it reaches the speakers. Luxman designed this amp with high quality low distortion bipolar transistors, ensuring efficient amplification with minimum distortion. The phono stage is another critical component, especially for vinyl lovers like myself. This section of the amplifier amplifies the very low signal coming from a turntable and applies the necessary RIAA equalization. The Luxman also supports MM and MC, the moving magnet and the moving coil cartridge, with dedicated circuitry for each type, ensuring compatibility and excellent sound quality regardless of the turntable setup. Now, additionally, this amplifier features a protection circuit as well that monitors the output, protecting the amp and your speakers from potential damage due to overheating, short circuits, or overloads. This ensures long term reliability and safe operation.